Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another old-fashioned recipe. It's the Southern tea cakes. I'm giving another version of the Southern tea cakes because I looked at the video that I had made before and I did not like it one bit. So I'm going to make the Southern style tea cakes without using that blender, y'all, without using that mixer. What we got here is 2 sticks of butter. It's 2 sticks of butter right here. Then we're going to add, now this is the old-fashioned way. This is the way they used to do it in the olden days. A tea cake, y'all. A tea cake. That's 2 sticks of butter. Gonna be 2 eggs. 2 eggs right here. Gonna be blended into these 2 sticks of butter. Gonna blend these eggs together just like that. We're not using a mixer. We're using a hand way. We're doing the hand way, y'all. So I'm gonna mix this together just like this. How they used to do it. Just like this. It's an old-fashioned way, and the tea cakes was delicious. Got the butter all incorporated with the eggs. And I remember when we was growing up, tea cakes was so good. It was 5 cents. The lady down the street charged us 5 cents for some tea cakes, y'all. And it was fantastic good. So we're going to put a cup and 1/4 of sugar in this. 1 cup of 4 sugar with this butter. Just like this. Blend it together. Make sure that it's all incorporated like this. Yeah, I saw that video and I want to change it because I want to make sure that you get these tea cakes like we did in the South. Old Southern way. With a spoon. Blending everything up together. Just like that. Okay, getting it all blended. Make sure it's all blended. It's a lot of elbow grease doing this, y'all. Okay, we're going to put 3 cups of flour. Little at a time. Just like that. Little at a time. Blend that together. Just like that. Yeah, those tea cakes were so good, y'all. And then what they used to put them in a jar. And they would be stayed in that jar for so long. And they smell so good. Tastes good. They were just really good tea cakes. Then we're going to put some more flour in there like that, y'all. Stir them together. Just like that. Made a mess. Get them all incorporated with this flour like this. Just like this. They're coming up to be tea cakes, y'all. Look at that. See that? Old fashioned. Now we're going to put some more flour in there. That's 3 cups of flour. I'll blend it together. Just like that. Using our arm, y'all. Okay. Get it all together like this. That's the tea cakes. Look at that. Now, what we're going to do right now is keep blending till we get it all incorporated. I got some more flour to go in here. Like that. And I'm going to be right back. What I'm going to do now is add the vanilla. Add the vanilla. Just like that. I need a little bit more vanilla. So I got this vanilla right here to put with it. Just like that. That ought to be enough. I'm going to put some nutmeg. This is what I'm calling nutmeg, y'all. That's how I pronounce it. I don't know the proper way to say it, but that's how we know. Put a little nutmeg in there like that. Just a hint of it. You know, we had a little hint of nutmeg in there. And we're going to stir this together, and we're going to be right back. And I know y'all want to sit here and watch me do. Ooh, that nutmeg smell good. I know y'all want to sit here and see me doing this like this. So we'll be right back. All right. Now you need to put a half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of soda, baking soda. And just sprinkle it all over like that. And we're going to continue on blending this together. Now you can add the baking soda and the salt to the flour if you want. But sometimes you can just do it just like that and it'll work. You're just going to have to make sure that you get it all blended together. Like that. Oh, this smells so old-fashioned, y'all. Now, I'll make a correction. You can make sure you put the baking soda and the salt with the flour. I forgot to tell y'all that, but I did it by just putting it in there because I have done it so many times and it works out for me. But it may not work out for you, so make sure that you put it in with the flour. Okay, this is about ready to roll out, and we'll be right back. This smells so delicious, y'all. And you want the dough to be stiff like that. That's what you want. And we'll be right back and roll these out. All right, I let this stay in the refrigerator for about maybe 30 minutes. So what we're going to do now is just take it out and roll it out. Now, it depends on what side cookie you want. I don't want a thick cookie. I don't want a small one, y'all. I want a thick one. You know, some people make them so thin, but I want mine sort of large. So I'm going to make mine like this. Maybe like that, y'all. Make a good cookie. Like that. Like that. Like that. How about that? We're going to put them in a greased pan. Because they're thick. We want them kind of thick. We don't want them too thin. We want them to be sort of like a cookie, like, you know? So we're going to do them like this. Because I like for mine to be kind of thick. Thick cookie. Okay, we're going to do the rest of them. So this, I don't know how many you want to make them. If you want to make them small, you can make them thin or whatever. But I like for them to be thick. I remember that tea cake was thick. You know, it was not thin. It was a thick tea cake. And it was really cakey-like, you know. Just like that. Cakey-like. And then we're going to make them all like that. And then we're going to put them in the oven and let them get golden brown. I think I'm too far from the camera, y'all. Okay, that's another little batch right here. Now you can make them, like I said, any size you want. But I want mine kind of a cake size. Like that. You can make them wider or smaller, whatever. Your preference. So my preference is this. Like that. Oh, that kind of stuck. Let's do another one, y'all. That one kind of stuck a little bit. Yeah. Now you want to make them spread all the way out. You can make them small. But I want mine kind of thick. Okay. Here they are right there. And we're going to put them in the oven. And we'll be right back and show you what they look like. All right, here's our finished results of our tea cakes, y'all. They are delicious. I just took them out the oven, and this is what they're supposed to look like. Just like that. And they are delicious. Now, these are the tea cakes. See how light brown they on the other side? Light brown on the other side. That's the way they're supposed to be. Because you can eat both sides. One got to be a lot browner. One got to be a little browner. And this is our tea cakes. And they are fabulous, y'all. I love them. And this smell me on my old childhood days. The old-fashioned tea cakes. Look at that. This is what a cake. See that? A cake. That's a cake. Right there. That's the tea cake right there. See how that look? That's what your tea cake will look like. This sound I want to tell you happy eating. And thank you for coming to my channel. And I'm enjoying this tea cake. I taste a hint of the nutmeg, and my goodness, my voice changed because this is remind me of my olden days when I was growing up. This is I'm going to tell you happy eating. And with this recipe, I was soulfoodqueen.net. And you can make your own old-fashioned tea cakes.